Chapter 1, number 47. Sweet corn plants can grow 4.1 centimeters in height per day. What is the speed in millimeters per second and in feet per week? So part A, we have 4.1 centimeters per day, and then we need to convert this into millimeters. So we'll say times, well, all I know is that there's 1 meter for every 100 centimeters, but there are 1,000 millimeters for every 1 meter. So I would do that conversion factor. And then I need to convert days. And so I'm going to say, well, every day has 24 hours, and every hour has 60 minutes, and every minute has 60 seconds. So when all is said and done, we get 4.7 times 10 to the minus 4 millimeters per second. All right, in part B, we take the 4.1 centimeters per day, and we need to convert. And again, you're not responsible for converting imperial units to metric units under the pressure of a timed test, but it's relatively easy to do. We take every centimeter and we say in every inch there are 2.54 centimeters, and in every foot there are 12 inches. And then we need to convert our times. So we say in every week there are 7 days, and we end up with 0.94 feet per week. I have to say that neither of the numbers pop out and say, wow, that's strange. They're just sort of numbers, but that's what we get.